What is going on, guys? Sir Lewis here, the YouTuber that helps you invest to rest. And in today's video, I'm going to show you guys here how to make over $500 monthly doing this very simple side hustle, which is selling cashback products. Alright, and this is a very passive type of side hustle here. They can get over 500, obviously more if you go all in, or obviously less, like 300 or 200 if you do it super passively. And this is something that is legit and legal and works 100%. I'm gonna show you guys here with proof and how to do it step by step, and it's very simple. So without further ado, let's get started. I'm gonna show you guys here how to basically make a good amount of money monthly, 500 or more, just by selling cashback products from cashback websites. Okay, so there is a thing called cashback websites. Now when you hear about this, you usually think of Rakuten or other type of cashbacks, but no, this is 100% cashback, which is basically free products from Amazon, and this is 100% legal. Okay, and these websites are legit, and I'm gonna leave 3 of my favorite websites, cashback websites that are fully cashback, in the description below, that you guys can go click and make an account and sign up and all of that. And I made a video in detail on how to use these websites and get free products basically from Amazon using these 3 websites in the description below, and I'll leave the link for the video if you want to watch that in detail in the comments below. So these websites are obviously legal, and basically what they are is there's Amazon sellers that want their products to be sold, which helps it, and also to be reviewed, okay, by people that leaves good reviews. Okay, now when you use these websites, you don't have to review the products if you don't want to, okay, but it definitely helps you get more points, which in the future will help you get more products. Okay, but basically, so they come to this website and they sign up, and they basically put a couple of free samples and let people test their products. Okay, and then somebody like you that wants to buy it, you click on the buy, okay, you press request, and basically it depends on the seller to approve it, and usually they do. Okay, obviously having a profile on Amazon that has a bunch of good reviews from your side definitely helps, but usually, you know, from my experience, they'll approve it. And then once they approve it, you basically buy the product, and then you get your order ID, which is the proof that you bought it. Okay, again, I go into detail in the video that I'll leave in the description below, in the comments below, on how to do this in detail. But basically you get that order ID, and then you copy and paste it onto the cashback site, and then in a couple days they send you the full money in PayPal. Okay, so you do need a PayPal to get your full money back, and like I said, this is 100% free, because you basically get your full money back. As you guys can see, these right here, $0 are the ones that you get your full money back. There's other websites like this one too, right here, $0. You know, they're gonna pay you your money back in a couple of days. And I tested this. I already bought many products, as you guys can see right here. Look at all this, and I got my money back all the time. It takes a couple of days to get your money. Alright, so now that you know how to use these cashback websites, alright, you're going through the products, and the thing here is you want to get good products. When you're searching through these products, there's obviously a bunch of good ones and a bunch of products that are way too simple and really are, you know, less than $10. What I suggest is, if you want to get a good product to sell, you're gonna search for products that you know will sell well in platforms like Facebook Marketplace, eBay, Mercari, which is my favorite one. There's Poshmark. There's plenty of them. There's OfferUp, and there's plenty of them. And I usually use them on my phone, but in this case, I'm gonna show you guys here on the website just a couple products that I've sold here in the past. Okay, this one right here, acoustic soundproof wall panels, was the same one here that I got from this cashback website right here. You guys can see acoustic panels 12-pack. It's the same one. Okay, obviously I sold it for pretty low, $17, but I sold it actually in like 2 days, right? I could have put it for more, and that's actually what I did with my new one right here. This one is a 24-pack acoustic foam panel. It already has 2 legs. I just recently posted it, and as you guys can see, let me show you guys here proof that I bought it right over here. See, it's the same one, same color, and I already got my money back just from buying it from these cashback websites. I got my full money back, and I'm gonna be selling it on another platform like Mercari and basically get money for selling it. Whether it's more or less, it doesn't matter, because I basically got my full money. It's basically as if I basically owned it, right? Because I have my full money back. So the key thing here is to search when you're looking through these cashback websites. You want to look at, in my opinion, products that are much more than $10 to $15. Because if they're less than $10, like this one for example, this one is $7, right? You're not gonna sell them on Mercari or eBay or stuff like that, and you're not gonna make a good profit if you do sell them. You want to look at good products here, even if it is a little pricey, because you're gonna get your money back anyway. Like this one for example, a table lamp with USB charging. You know, I could definitely see this selling on Mercari or some other app like eBay. Okay, let's look at this one right here. Okay, so this one for example, this is a fryer toaster oven, which is crazy that they have this here, and it costs $159. So you know, you're gonna pay $159, but you're gonna get your money back. And this for example would sell well in something like Facebook Marketplace, right, which is local, or you can even try and ship it, but definitely for like Facebook Marketplace. Let's look at some other products here. Right off the bat, you will see if they are good. This one for example, it's a kitchen sink faucet. Okay, you can see right here it says $60. You could definitely sell that. You could get that and basically sell it for like 40 or even 50, depends. So you guys can see how it basically works. You want to look for products that is way over $15 at least, right? At least $20, because it being at $20 or more, you're gonna be able to sell it for a pretty good profit on Mercari or eBay or, you know, apps like that. And then like I said, you want to request it, and then after it gets approved, like this one for example, these two actually just requested it today and they got approved. So you accepted, right? So it's pretty easy to get approved. Just make sure, you know, you review it here, you leave some good reviews here and there, and then right here, as you guys can see, submit or order ID. After I buy, I'm gonna put the order ID, and it's gonna basically show that I bought it, and I'm gonna get my money back after I buy it. And then once I get it, you just go to Mercari or eBay and you put it up. And I recommend putting it up for you know, don't go too cheap, because if you're impatient and you put it too cheap and it sells quick, right, you really don't make that much. I would suggest putting it not higher than what it's actually worth, like a little bit less than what it's worth, right? And then slowly promote it down, you know, lower the price as time goes. Try to get likes, try to get views, and then promote it slowly down, and then you'll probably sell it in the future, because you're basically selling for less than Amazon or other places, and it's brand new. Make sure to put that it's new as well. So that's basically it, guys. If you can do this, and again you're probably asking, like, you know, how can I make 500, you know, doing this? You could definitely do it. Okay, you're not just on one website. You know, there's plenty of cashback websites. I'm gonna provide 3 of my favorite ones. And you could also make multiple accounts actually, with different emails, and you can use the same PayPal. So remember that you could definitely make multiple accounts if you want to go all in and just, you know, get products and products. If you're gonna do that, I would suggest having a spreadsheet so you can keep count of what products you got, the price of what products you got paid back in time, so you can keep count and, you know, be organized as much as possible. So that's what I suggest, guys. It's definitely a good side hustle. Yeah, leave comments if you guys got any questions. Go check out my other video if you want to see how to actually, you know, use these cashback websites and sign up in all that detail. And yeah, hope to help you guys out, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.